character.
Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Medha, aka the Artsy Eye, and this is going to be a study vlog, which is a very highly requested video on my channel for some reason. So today is 26th of April. So a quick story and a disclaimer before you start watching this video. I do not study this much every day, okay? People have this notion and they will comment, oh my god, you are so productive, you study so much. No, this is just for today. Do not think that I study this much every single day. Today is like a day where I try to finish all of my studies. I have one day in a week where I kind of go through all the backlogs, and boy oh boy, cannot even explain the amount of backlogs I have. I don't know what happened, like April really hit me hard and I just stopped studying, and therefore no more vlogs, nothing was happening in April basically, and this is the end of the April and I realized I need to get hold of my things. So yeah, I just hope I finish some of my backlogs today.
I know I'm a diamond, but I'm still in the rough. I get what I want, but it's not ever enough. Well, life can be rewarding, but sometimes it get tough. Shit gets complicated, but I count on your love. It wasn't fair.
Hi. So I basically finished my Arun Sharma coordinate geometry LOD1. Like I finished all of the sums, and I'm just taking a break right now because it's extremely hot. I don't know why everything is so hot these days, like it's just April and everything's burning outside. What will happen in June? Okay, so this should have been my study area, but as you can see, this is completely chaotic and messy, and I have to clean this before my second study session. So, ta-da! Okay, as you know, this is like my side table where all of my essential supplies are there. Next is this sitting arrangement, which literally changes every day. If you have seen my last vlogs, you will know what I'm talking about. This is my diary, laptop, mobile, basically the three things without which I cannot live. There are some other books, storybooks, canvases, things on which I'm working on right now. That's it. Oh, and I have this light situation here if I ever need a study lamp.
But you on my mind.
Hi, I just wanted to say good morning, and I wanted to call you before you had to go to work, but I love you so much, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
First time I met you, didn't have a clue what you mean to me. Best friend from the start, always had my heart, but now it loves you differently. You came in at the right time, baby, you have changed my life. Everything I do, I
Hey guys, so today is Tuesday. Yesterday I was not so productive. I don't know why. I was just not feeling like it. I finished Arun Sharma Coordinate Geometry LOD1. It was pretty easy. Then I started Mensuration LOD1, but I could not finish. Like, I think I did about half of it, and then I was reading the storybook and I was pretty engrossed in it because I just reached the climax and I was like, I have to finish it, but I couldn't. Only few pages are left, so I thought today I will finish it. I cannot afford to only study today because I have a lot of other things to do, like I have 2 tutorial classes, I have work, a painting to finish, 2 videos to edit, and yeah, in general it would be a busy day.
Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck. What the deal, how you feel, not important. All I'm thinking about is riding in these Porsches, but don't be coming at me with that horse shit. Acting like you know me, that's the worst shit. I know in my soul I ain't this fucking cold, that's just how it goes. When I do get older, these days I don't get no sleep. Fuck 'em all, they don't know me. Couple minutes and I'll be good. Let me drink my coffee. Back up. That's the game you gon' get if you step up. Messed up, what I been and done when I tense up. That patience wearing out, playing dress up. Big sales on them big meals. Got a pocket full of coupons, we gon' eat well. And you know I got them refills. Got my dimes and the coffee Vince playing on the JBL.
So today I realized that my speed of doing maths has decreased so much that I cannot even finish 30 to 40 sums a day, and it is pretty scary because my speed used to be extremely high. I used to finish 70-80 sums a day, and and I also finished reading The Fifth Mountain, and I would have to say, guys, if you haven't read it, it's a good book. It teaches you many life lessons. It's kind of philosophical, so okay, but the only problem which I faced with this book was once the climax was done, it was a good climax, okay, but once it was done, the graph just falls like this. Like, there was nothing after the climax. The climax was around the 70% of the book, so the rest of the 30% was just me reading pointlessly, trying to find any meaning in that book, and I was like, what is happening? So yeah, the ending was pretty disappointing, but apart from that, it's a good book. I am least productive during afternoon time because my brain really doesn't function. Like, it's not functioning right now, okay, so I cannot study. So before this I was watching The Mentalist, and probably I will be continuing that. It is my favorite show of all time. I'm watching this for the 5th time and I'm yet not over it. And Patrick Jane, I am in love with him. Okay, he's just too good for my likings, and I don't know, it's just unbelievable, unreal how much amazing is that character. And the amazing and interesting part is that I have met Simon Baker in real life. Like, we met at a film festival and I was losing my mind. He walked just past me and I was so shocked I could not even scream, okay. Like, it would have been pretty embarrassing if I would have screamed, but yeah, I met him, okay. In real life, he looks exactly the way he looks in The Mentalist, and okay, sorry for the rant, but I was too excited.
Take me down to the waterside, let me drown in your blue-green eyes. Take away all my plans today, I hope you stay. 'cause I'm in love with the salt on your skin. Where you been, my love? I'm in love with the salt on your skin. With the salt, I'm in love with the salt on your skin. Where you been, my love? I'm in love with the salt